So I have the JBL Boombox 4 and I'm going to show you, or rather take you through the first time setup process. So I've just taken this out of the box, and the first thing you need to do is turn it on. Of course, there's a power button at the top here. So just press on it once. That's going to turn on the speaker, and it's immediately going to go into Bluetooth pairing mode. So now you need to go to your phone. Now you can do this with any phone, whether it's an Android phone or an iPhone, it doesn't really matter. So go to your phone and hit settings, and then go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on your phone, and then it's gonna start scanning for devices. And you can see the JBL Boombox 4 has been detected. Tap on it, and it's gonna get connected. Simple as that. Now, once you connect via Bluetooth, the next thing you want to do is go to the App Store and find the JBL Portable app. Now, this is available on both the Apple App Store and the Android Google Play Store for Android users. So just go ahead and install the JBL Portable app. This is a companion app for your JBL speaker, and it's gonna introduce you to many more features for your speaker and settings. Anyway, so once you install the app, just launch it and tap on get started. You need to accept the terms of service. You need to allow the JBL Portable to find Bluetooth devices. So allow, and then JBL Portable like to send you notifications. So that's personal preference. I'm going to allow for now. And you can see the JBL Portable app has detected our speaker and we're good to go. Simple as that. Okay, so we now have access to plenty of settings, plenty of extra settings. So this is a JBL Portable app, different from the JBL headphones app. Okay, so we have more settings and a few more things you can tweak with the speaker. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.